guys, just out here today, going for a little ride, looking for rabbits. It's a beautiful day, the sun's shining bright. It's really cold though, it's about minus 20, probably below with the wind chill a little bit, but you know, at least we're getting more daylight this time of year, so it kind of warms things up a little bit, even if it's cold. I'm packing the 410 with me today. Decided to bring this one along. It's a Model 402 CIL. Yeah, it's a really good shotgun, pattern's pretty tight, so I'm hoping to be able to get a rabbit with it today. But since the snow's so deep, I'm mostly just going to be driving main drag roads, just keeping an eye on the side, because when the sun's shining bright like this, the rabbits love to just sit off the side of the road and sit in the sunshine. Well guys, it didn't take too long to spot rabbit number one. It's just sitting underneath a solitary tree out in the cut here, sitting in the sun. So like I was saying earlier, I'm just going to set up my tripod on the side of the road, and then I'll walk in off the road and try to get a shot on them. And so they can be pretty easy to spook when you do this, but we're just out here having fun, so we'll give her a go. Well, as soon as I was settling in for the shot, he took off. So I think he went behind a little slash pile that I could see in there. So I'll probably take a little walk in there, and if he's not there, then we'll continue down the road, and if he is, great. Well, I set my camera up on the one side of the little slash pile, and I tried walking around it, really deep snow, and he came out the side of the camera instead of coming out the far end that I thought he was going to poke out, but never got a shot on him. Holy man, the snow's deep. Wow. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Dang. Well, there's the first rabbit of the day. Thing's a tank, holy man. Yeah, that was tough. I saw it when I was driving by, and I came back and looking and looking for it, but it just kept, after a while I just saw it doing circles around this patch of trees. So yeah, happy about that. Got him with the 410, did a great job. Quick change of plans here. I'm gonna make a little bit of a fire, and gonna put my grill up, and we're gonna try cooking that rabbit, barbecue style on it. I've never cooked a rabbit on the fire before, but I brought a little grill, so yeah, we'll give it a go, why not? Both of our rabbit legs here. I'm just going to give them a little rinse, a little bit of hair on them. Cleaned up a little bit. Good. It's okay if there's a little bit of hair, it's just going to get singed off anyway. I wouldn't normally do this because it's good to have all the juices inside the rabbit, but I want it to cook a little faster, and just to make sure it's cooked right through, I'm just going to score it a little bit. good. Let's grab some Old Bay seasoning. Put a liberal amount of that on. And rub it in a bit. So it doesn't burn, I'll put a little bit of barbecue sauce on there. I don't know about you guys, that looks pretty darn good. So I'll get the fire ready, and then I'll put my little grill on, and we'll just sit back and wait for it to cook. It's been about 10 minutes or so of cooking, and it's actually smelling pretty darn good. Smelling like a little barbecue action. Had the rabbit legs on for about 20 minutes now, so I'm gonna take them off. Pretty crispy on the outside, but I'm just gonna scrape that off and cut them up into little pieces, and yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty good. Well, I got all the rabbit meat peeled off the bone, so that's how much you get. I may have ate a couple pieces already. But I put a little barbecue sauce there as the side, and yeah, let's have a bite. It's actually surprisingly tender, like it almost peeled off a little bit like pulled rabbit. Tastes exactly like barbecue. Good. I do like to put my rabbit, the back legs on the rabbit on the barbecue sometimes. And yeah, it almost tastes like beef. But yeah, it's a cool way to do it. Good little snack in the bush anyway. Well, it's going to be it for today's video. Had a great day out here. I just wanted to get out and enjoy the day. I didn't hunt too hard, didn't even travel too far either. I just found that one rabbit, and after I got it, you know, that was good enough because I was thinking about doing the catch and cook, and I came prepared for it. So I'm happy that I got to do that today. Got to sit by the fire and yeah, enjoy the sun. So thanks for watching, and yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Again, really appreciate all the positive feedback and reading your guys' comments.